Kasiyahan na. Ay, ano ba yung isang pinanta ko? Yung malungkot? Hindi. Ah, wala ka dun eh. Ano yung tanong mo ulit?
Because how does it feel? Also, it's been 7 years. This
It's
is
been 7
technically
years
a comeback.
since, yeah, since I last released an album. So last year we released yung next episode, and this time around I enjoyed and I missed singing for everyone na ganito ka-intimate na setting, sa ganitong ka-intimate na setting, and especially singing my own songs from my album.
Can you share to us the process of those 7 years creating
7
all of
years.
this?
Kasi nag-pandemic eh. We actually started recording some of the songs like yung Trust Issues and Bring Your Jacket in 2022, I think. Tapos, medyo na-delay because syempre, we were just starting to get back on our feet, di ba, after the pandemic, and so nagkaroon ng konting delay. But I'm just really grateful na natapos namin siya last year, and we came up with a lot of beautiful songs. And we made it even more special kasi we are going to release a deluxe version of the album with a few more tracks, including yung song na kinanta ko kanina na, ano ulit yung title? Tulad ng dati, diba? It's so parang feel good. Yan, na-miss kong kumanta ng mga ganong feel good kasi I've been known to singing a lot of slow songs, mga, diba, like hanggang ngayon, If the Feeling Is Gone, mga On the Wings of Love, and now I came up with more upbeat songs, and it makes me really, really excited for everyone to hear it, and sana magustuhan nila.
Of course. Guys, magustuhan nyo ba? Nagustuhan nyo yung song, diba?
Thank you! Thank you.
You mentioned that there's still a lot to expect and there's a whole process in it, but especially for the Kylo Onliners who have been supporting you, avid listeners, what can we expect dito sa next episode?
Next episode, aside from the song Tulad ng Dati that we are including in the album, we are also including more songs, new songs for this album na hinahanap ko pa ang perfect song para sa kanila. And merong collaboration with some artists that I think you'll find exciting. Kasi ako na-excite ako.
Walang hints. Bawal magbigay ng
Bawal pa.
Sumama ng tingin sa akin.
Bawal pa.
Okay. At least may gano'n. Okay, so more collaborative?
Yes, more collaborative.
More collaborations. Okay, so I have a few questions here. I will name the catalog. This is from Chris O. Ramos Jr. from One Music PH. How satisfied are you? Ay, may ka ba? Yeah. Hi. I'll do the honors. Thank you, sir. How satisfied are you with the reception to your new songs so far? And ano ang pinaka-favorite ng fandom mo?
Pinaka-favorite, yung naririnig ko na madalas na gustong-gusto nila yung na song is Bring Your Jacket and Totoo Na. Ewan ko, kayo ba? Kaya ko yan. Iba-iba sila ng favorite eh. Ako, Back to Bliss. Ako din Back to Bliss kasi very personal yan sa akin. Kaya ko yan. Yun, yung mga songs.
Pinagdadaanan.
Tsaka alam mo, favorite ko rin ngayon, yung Tulad ng Dati. Kasi sobrang feel good niya.
Right, very Gen Z, I must say.
Gen Z ka. Yay!
Gen Z tayo. Okay, question number 2. So sobrang ganda ng concert mo last year, paano siya may iba sa next concert natin?
Grabe, sobrang ganda ba nun? Grabe, tagal ko na kasing hindi nagka-concert. Kaya yung concert na Soundscape, parang after so many years nun eh, bago ko nagkaroon ulit ng solo, parang 10 years. And then, last year, for that concert, I did an all original songs. And all of the songs that I have recorded, kasama yung ibang mga cover songs. And it's pretty special kasi nahahappy ako na nagustuhan nila. Kasi I've always been so hesitant to do a concert na puro kanta ko yung kakantahin ko. Kasi hindi ako sure kung kilala ba nila yung ibang mga songs o gusto ba nila yung mga songs ko. Hindi ako sure. So last year it was a risk for us to do that. But I wanted to do it kasi minsan lang tayo mabubuhay sa mundo, isang beses lang naman, di ba? So this time around, for this concert, it is going to be a little bit like that but with a twist. So I would still be singing my songs and some songs that I recorded ng mga covers. Pero meron pa kaming idadagdag. Marami pang collaborations sa buong concert. Yun yung pinagkaiba. May maraming collaborations.
Mga natin. Thank you so much, sir, from One Music PH. We have here Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Question 1, trending ngayon ang hanggang ngayon challenge at umabot pa sa North and Latin Americas. Any reaction?
Grabe, parang, alam mo, nababasa ko lagi sa comment section kasi tambay ako sa comment section. Ano daw? Ikaw din? Ano daw? World domination. Kasi umabot na siya ng Portugal. Tapos pati China. May comedy side din pala ang mga from China. So, China, umabot na ng Brazil. Sa Brazil, sobrang patok na patok siya. As in, finalo na rin nila ako. Tapos yung mga nagko-comment, mga hindi ko naiintindihan. Kaya translate mo para maintindihan mo. Nakakakilig na after 26 years, parang nabuhay ulit yung song ko. Parang ilang beses na siya nabuhay yung kanta na to yung hanggang ngayon. Nakakatawa na nabubuhay at nabubuhay siya. Hindi siya nabamatay. Tapos ngayon nag-reach na siya ng Portugal, may Spain, ang dami. Kasi tinatag nila ako. So, merong from Spain, merong Vietnam, Indonesia, China, Portugal, yun. Ano ba? Ano ba? Korea, wala pang Korea. Calling, Taiwan, gano'n. Nakakatawa. Sobrang nakakatawa. Kaya, hindi ko lang alam kung ikakatawa ko ba na naging parody siya. Kasi malungkot siya, pero di ba, at least nakaka-good vibes siya. Di ba? Ang dami yung napapasaya ng song na yun. Hindi na siya malungkot na song ngayon, pang transformation. Sabi ko, ginawa ko kanina yun! To be fair, effective siya. Wag na, surprise.
May concert, guys. May concert. Relax. See you in Newport. Okay, question number 2. In your 25 years as an artist, what would you consider as your favorite showbiz memory and why?
Iilan po yung bagyo. Parang iyan po yung bagyo. Nakasabit sa balikat niya. Favorite memory ko, sorry sir, nagja-joke lang po ako. Baka ma-offend po kayo. Lahat naman favorite ko eh. Siguro yung pinakaunang-unang memory ko na favorite is when I won sa Video Music Awards sa MTV before. Kasi Moonman kasi yun. Kasi yung Moonman, di ba ang mga nakakatanggap lang ng Moonman, sina J-Lo, sina mga ganyan. Tatlo lang kami nun sa Philippines na naka-receive ng Moonman. Eraserheads, ako, tsaka Parokya ni Edgar. Parang sa babae ako pa lang. Yun.
Ganun yung ginagawa ng Gen Z.
Ganyan. So, nakalimutan ko na yung tanong mo.
Sorry. The question is, in those 25 years, your favorite or anything you can share?
Isa yun
It's
sa mga
remarkable.
favorite ko. Siyempre lahat ng mga concert, yung nag-concert ako ng Natural Ordinary Girl kasi nakabrata pa ako dun. Nung payat pa ako, yung opening ko, di ba, nakabra ako na pink. Tapos, naka-boots na pink. Yun, ano ba? Lahat.
Ayun, itong bagong favorite natin.
Nung naging mommy na ako, favorite ko lalo yun. Ganyan. Wala pa sila dito, hindi na nila naabutan yung kumanta ko. Late sila. Oo,
Okay,
dapat nandito sila eh.
Ipanoorin nila yung concert natin. Okay, so we have a question from Lionheart TV.